AI is changing everything, fast, but here's the secret. The more machines can do, the more valuable truly human skills become. According to McKinsey, demand for social-emotional skills will jump 26% by 2030. That's huge. It means if I double down on what makes me human, empathy, creativity, ethical judgment, I'm not just future-proofing my career, I'm unlocking premium opportunities that robots can't touch. So what actually makes a skill AI-proof? AI is great at crunching numbers and spotting patterns, but it can't read a room, improvise in a crisis, or build trust out of thin air. The winners are those who blend deep expertise with cross-domain thinking and strong relationships. When the stakes are personal, creative, or regulated, humans stay in control and get paid accordingly. Take strategic decision-making. Top executives and investors aren't just reading dashboards, they're weighing ethics, risk, and long-term vision. AI can suggest, but only people can choose when to pivot or double down. That's a six-figure skill. Or look at empathetic communication. Sales pros, mediators, therapists. They close deals and resolve conflicts by reading between the lines. No chatbot can replace that kind of trust. Then there's creative direction. AI can draft, but only humans can turn an idea into something iconic, something that moves people. That's why creative directors and brand strategists command top fees. And don't forget high-stakes craftsmanship. Surgeons, electricians, cybersecurity experts. These roles demand hands-on mastery, intuition, and real-time judgment. When liability is on the line, clients pay for the human touch. So how do I stack the deck? I combine AI-proof skills, data literacy, storytelling, to create rare, high-value hybrids. I build a personal brand, share my expertise, and turn my knowledge into digital assets that scale. I keep learning, pushing myself with improv classes, scenario planning, and hands-on projects. The key? Audit my daily tasks. Double down on what only I can do. Earn credentials that put legal boundaries around my work. And always track the ROI of my humanity. Client loyalty, creative wins, safety records. The next big opportunities, climate strategists, AI ethicists, space designers, will all demand deep human judgment from day one. If I position myself at the intersection of empathy, ethics, and frontier tech, I'm not just surviving the AI wave, I'm riding it to the top.